To remove the upper cover, use flat-headed tweezers. Insert the tweezers into the notch position and gently lift to open the cover. Once the cover is open, remove the 3 screws that are securing the unit in place. Gently loosen the filament funnel unit from its position. Locate the cable connecting the filament funnel unit and disconnect it carefully. Remove the spring from the filament funnel unit for further maintenance. Locate and remove the 2 screws that are securing the motor components in place. Once the screws are removed, carefully lift and remove the motor components from the device. Make sure to handle the motor components with care to avoid any damage. Start by connecting the motor cable to the appropriate connector on the feeder motor. Carefully position the motor components inside the feeder unit, ensuring they are aligned properly. Secure the motor components in place by locking in the 2 screws to start by placing the spring on the left filament funnel unit. Adjust the swing gear sets according to the provided figure. Next, connect the cable to the designated connector on the filament funnel unit. Clip the spring into place using a hex key. Lock the unit in place with the 3 screws. The position of the swing gear sets is opposite due to the symmetry of the structure of the filament funnel unit. Right. Confirm that the 2 light guide columns are in place. Carefully position and align the upper cover over the device.